These are the instructions for the reduced size buckle. The reduced size buckle is smaller than the fidlock buckle that comes with your Enigma. Some users might find that reduced length helpful if the buckle lays over their hip bone and creates a pressure point. The reduced size buckle is compatible with all Enigma Express and OS models. To use it, simply thread your belt webbing through the inner side of the buckle and out through the outer side. As you tighten the webbing, the buckle will lock in, preventing it from slipping out. To release the buckle, pull the end away from your body. When putting your gun on, control the gun with one hand and thread the webbing through with your other hand. Pull the loose end of the webbing to tighten your belt. To release, grab the edge of the buckle and pull it away from your body. Due to the way the buckles are manufactured, it's possible for the buckle bar to tilt and fall out. If this happens, don't panic. Simply reinsert the buckle bar by starting in the corner. When you have it snug in the corner, there's just enough room to get the tip of the buckle around and pop it into place. To prevent your buckle bar from falling out and getting lost, we recommend storing your Enigma with the belt threaded. Installing the reduced size buckle on your Enigma Express is easy and requires no extra hardware. You'll reuse the hardware that came with your Enigma Express. To start, remove the screw holding the fidlock buckle to the Express faceplate. You can set the old buckle aside, but make sure to keep the screw and screw post. Note that the reduced size buckle is curved, so when you install it, you'll want to make sure the curve is going towards your body, not away from your body. So curve towards your body like this. Then, take your reduced size buckle and insert the tab through the inner faceplate slot, lining up the screw holes. Reuse your screw post and screw to complete your assembly. Make sure to get your screw nice and tight. If you find that the back of the screw post spins when you try to tighten it, then try grabbing it with a rubber band, rubber glove, or another sticky material. Then you'll just remove your belt webbing from the old buckle and thread it onto the new buckle. Installing the reduced size buckle on your Enigma OS or light-bearing Enigma OS does not require any extra hardware. If your Enigma is already assembled, remove the fidlock buckle and save the hardware. If your Enigma is not already assembled, you'll just install the reduced size buckle instead of the fidlock buckle when you get to that stage in your assembly steps. You can find all the assembly instructions on the PHLster website. Note that the reduced size buckle is curved, so when you install it, you'll want to make sure the curve is going towards your body, not away from your body. So curve towards your body like this. To install your reduced size buckle on your Enigma faceplate, you'll use all the same hardware in the same order as you originally did. Make sure your rubber washer is between the buckle and the faceplate. Then simply tighten down your screw and you are good to go. Make sure your screws are nice and tight and that your buckle doesn't rotate on the faceplate.